Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ringgit Today we are going to do the technical analysis for PPAP Automotive. PPAP is the ticker name, and this is the monthly technical chart of the stock. These are all the this is the historical price chart, and here each candle represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and their respective graphs related to the stock. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, I'm taking this particular point as origin, December 2013. Okay, from this point onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction. Actually, the super trend, from after this point, this stock entered into the positive super trend mode, and the stock started moving in the upward direction and continuously making new highs. New high 1, 2, 3. Okay, and there is a small pattern here. After every new high in the initial phase, the stock is breaking into sideways movement. Here also sideways movement, and but here we are not seeing such kind of movement. But right now the stock is extending its positive trend and is moving in the upward direction. We can clearly see that. And right now today the stock is trading at 463 rupees 60 paise, and this is as per the data we are having. This is the peak price. That's how we can consider, because we are since 2008 I am not seeing this stock attaining or crossing 463 price. I mean, this is the highest price that the stock has attained so far. That's why, as per the data we are having right now. Okay, and 2017 itself, the stock started at 151 and it moved up to 463 today. So nearly how many times? It's like 1 and 212 times, 212 rupees per share profit it has given to its investors so far. That's really huge for this kind of small cap stock. So that is the potential of this stock, guys. And okay, now coming to the analysis, the stock has already moved. It's already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving averages, and it is right now under the influence of positive support trend mode. Relative strength of the stock is peaking up. Actually, it is making a nice slope on top of the 80 line, which is good. And the direction strength is increasing. You can clearly see both positive and negative directional lines are diverging, creating huge space between them, which is directly proportional to the directional strength of the stock. And stochastics is in the positive trend, and both lines are playing on top of the 80 line, and both lines are diverging. Very good. And momentum is peaking up. Actually, it is playing on top of the 80 line, baseline, and it is peaking up. And you can see price volume. Price volume is price volume is rising. You can clearly see that. And the balance of power and elder pay both are in sync, and both are clearly telling us that the stock is in bullish phase. And Kopak curve is clearly showing again the stock is in the buy zone, and it is rising actually. So all the indicators are good. All the indicators are throwing good signals, guiding points of the indicators. And as for me, based on what I read here, the signals, I think the stock can be considered for a long-term investment. And this is the right time to invest, if at all anyone. I mean, if investors, I mean, based on the interest. But the conclusion is the stock is the stock can be considered for long-term investment at this moment, because everything is good. Strength is good, momentum is good, direction strength is good, volumes are increasing, and stock is in the bullish phase. And the Kopak curve, which is exclusively for the long-term investment strategy. That's this indicator used for long-term indicator. This is an investment strategy to identify whether the stock is eligible for long-term investment or not. That, I mean, for that purpose we use this. So even that is saying that stock is in the buy zone. So I'm pretty sure that this stock will do good, and this stock can be considered for long-term investment at this moment. That is the conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.